Alright students, in this part we will be learning about motion along a straight line. Okay, see, in this particular topic we will be learning about what is distance and what is displacement. Alright, for example, you take this particular distance, okay, from O to A. Alright, the distance is 60 kilometer. Okay, and if a person is moving from point O to point A, then am I asking you what is the distance? What is the distance from O to A? How much distance has a person covered? Okay, then you will say from O to A the distance covered is 60 kilometer. Okay, and now if the person is moving from A to B, now what you will tell? What is the distance traveled by the person? You will tell the distance traveled by person is 60 plus how much from here again? 35, right? And this 35 out here, that means 10 10 and yes 25. Means if a person has moved from O to A and again he has come back to B, right? Then if I'll ask you, if a person has moved from O to A and has come back to point B, what is the distance traveled by that person? Now you will tell, what you will tell? You will add 60, right? 60 plus 25, right? That is the distance traveled by person, that is 85 kilometer, right? Now you see here, that is 85 kilometer, right? And then now again that person has moved to point C. Alright, then I'm asking you what is the distance traveled by that person. Then you will add more 10 and you will tell 90 kilometer. Alright, but if I ask you what is the displacement of that person, okay, then you will be not telling the same thing. Alright, displacement is the distance between the initial point and the final point. Okay, if the person has traveled whole and then he has come back also, will not be calculating all those things. We will be calculating only the distance between the initial point and the final point. Okay, that is initial point is, you see, 0, and if it is if the person is in B, that means his displacement is 35 kilometer, and if the person has come to C, that means his displacement is 25 kilometer. That is the distance between the final point and the start point. All right, now next thing is, the question comes, can the distance and displacement be same in any case? Yes. See, if the person had only traveled till here, till point A, right, and he had not come back, then what would be the scenario? That the distance and the displacement would be same, right? Initial point, distance between the final point and initial point, and also the distance traveled would be same, right? But here it is not the case because the person is coming back, right? Now next thing, is it possible that displacement is 0? The question, next question is, okay, yes, it is possible to have a displacement 0 if a person comes to the start point. Alright, if the person ends his journey to the start point, then what happened? His final position and the initial position will be the same point, right? That means the displacement will be 0. Okay, if this person is coming back to again O, after traveling he is coming back to point O, that means his displacement will be 0. But if he is coming back to point O, his distance will be 60 plus 60, that is 120. Okay, that is for distance. Okay, distance is a, you see here, there are certain quantities which are described by specifying only their numerical values. The numerical value of physical quantity is magnitude. From this example, you can find out that the distance of final position C of the object from the initial position O, this difference will give you the numerical value of displacement. Okay, now for displacement, some like magnitude, some quantities are dependent only on magnitude, that is distance is only dependent on magnitude. Okay, but displacement is dependent on direction also. Alright, in which direction is that person coming? Is he coming back or going farther away. Okay, distance does not depend on direction, but the displacement depends on direction also. Okay, you see, the shortest distance measured from the initial to the final position of an object is known as displacement. All right, I think you are clear with this. Thank you.